everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Timna. Welcome to Timz's kitchen. We are in the kitchen today. I almost said welcome to Timz's Anecdotes. Welcome to Timz's kitchen. Today we're gonna hook up quick, simple, stress-free meal for the family. It's literally that kind of meal where you don't have time, you're coming back from work, you're coming back from the gym, you know. So I was like, let me show my G's what I'm preparing for my family this evening. So hold on, let me quickly switch the camera around so that you guys can see what I am making. It's different filming on the phone than the camera, because I want to look this way but look at myself, and then I'll get used to it. Let me switch the camera around quickly. So yeah, our meal today is made with 2-minute Maggi noodles. Today we'll be using the beef flavor. So it's 3 of us. 3 packets should be enough. So right here I have my red peppers, I have my yellow peppers, then I have my green peppers. That is just shredded chicken, just in case, because I'm going to make it a veggie one, because my partner is not doing meat during the week. So this is just for me and the offspring. Me and the offspring will have chicken pieces on the side. And then we have our onion, we have our garlic, we have our butternut, we have our Indian spices, our curry, our lamb masala. It's almost finished. I have to refill on that. Have your normal salts, and we have your barbecue steak and chops. I'll bring out the barbecue now. And obviously we have my wine. Cheers. So yeah, what am I making today? I am making chow mein. Very quick, very easy. You can even use leftovers if, like, the meat is leftover meat that I bought, I think, on Saturday at Woolies. So it's leftover meat that I shredded. I made homemade pizza with that shredded meat in my other video. So yeah, it's very quick, it's very simple, it's straightforward, doesn't cost that much, and trust you me, the whole family will definitely be enjoying this. I don't know if I want, no, I want it, no. I've had enough cheese for one day. Anyway, my G's, let's get to making our chow mein. Later, pals. Already have palm oil in here, so let's just switch our stove on. I think 4 is enough just to kickstart it. We have our palm oil on there, and then here it will be for the noodles. So I'm just adding the noodles in my hot water. I'll let them boil, and once done, I put aside. My oil is ready. I'm putting my butternut in. I'm frying it first. I added a bit of garlic and a bit of curry powder. I'm gonna fry them until medium. Yeah, medium done. Now I can add my onion. bye.